What is up, you guys? Stu here with Bowen Customs. Behind me I have a sweet blacked out build. This is a 2001 F350. It's got the 7.3 Power Stroke diesel engine in it. Awesome motor. Awesome truck too. Super cab long bed. So you get the shorter wheelbase with the super cab, but you can still do a long bed camper such as this one. This particular gentleman had the 4-wheel camper Grandby slide-in. It actually used to be white and he had it painted black. I think it looks really good. No garage on this setup. However, you do get a very large forward lower box in front of the bed there. Factory suspension. I think there's an airbag kit in there as well. 35s, or I guess 34 and a half or whatever that is for metric. Rear lower. This particular one has the Expedition 1 bumper. Not all bumpers fit with our beds, but we did find that this one did, so that's an awesome addition. It does have some Bajas, some Squadron Sports in there, as well as our reverse lights. This particular customer opted for the rear access doors. These are the doors on the back side of the upper boxes right here. These just allow real easy loading and unloading of long objects. So think like skis, ski poles, rifles, fishing rods, that kind of thing. Inside of the upper box on this side, you'll notice these little doors. These are what we call inner access doors. There's bulb seal, so they're waterproofed, and just some thumb screws up top, and they allow you really easy access to the turnbuckles of the camper. You can get to it without these inner access doors. It's just way more of a pain. Rear lower, suspension, tires, and on this side you can see just how big and how much space you've got in that forward lower box. Just tons and tons of room there. Really awesome build. Love the black on black colorway, and especially on an older truck, it's just it's an awesome build. So if you got any questions, you can give us a call or shoot us an email. Our email is info, that's info @bowencustoms.com. Thanks, guys.